In yet another incident of drug seizure, Bokajan Police apprehended 2 drug peddlers at Kotkoti Quad Junction and seized 1 kilogram of suspected heroin from their possession at Kotkoti on 31st July. On 31st July, acting upon a specific intel received from its sources, a special naka was set up at MVI Point Chariali of Kotkoti Police Station, Karbi Anglong. At about 7:30 a.m., a vehicle bearing registration number WB74P4456 was intercepted on suspicion of carrying illicit drugs with it. The vehicle was rigorously searched and 75 boxes of soap cases containing 966 grams, 1 kg approx, of suspected heroin was recovered. In connection to this case, 2 persons were arrested: Solomon Tour, son of late Supenchu Tour, Melori Town, District Phek, Nagaland; Simon Tour, son of Tesomu Tour, Molan Melori, District Phek, Nagaland. The drugs peddlers, in order to avoid regular checking of Kotkoti Police Station, had used an alternative route. The consignment was supposed to be further deported through train from Bokajan Railway Station. The operation was carried out by John Das, APS SDPO, Bokajan, along with OC Kotkoti, SI Raju Dora, OC Bokajan Inspector Maublik Brahma, SI Rajiv Bora of Kotkoti Police Station, SI Probationers ASCOM Rabi Gill, C20 CRPF Bokajan, PS Staff and APRG Camp Bokajan. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.